Well, good day to you, good morning, whatever and wherever you are today. I am a lady who has been studying the cosmos ever since I was a small child. I was introduced to it by my grandmother and my mother, who we all lived in a small town in Georgia. I don't know if that had a whole lot to do with it, but the part of Georgia I grew up in had so much historical power that has come since I've been here on earth. But that is another story. What I am talking about right now is what is actually happening at this time and space where we are right now. There is such an increase in the intensity of energies on this planet right now that I decided to, I was led to, I keep wanting to say the right thing. And this is new to me, but it's so necessary. Somebody has to speak on it. Somebody has to talk to certain people who can influence what's happening now in a more positive way. And I have felt the calling to be one of the people who speak what needs to be said. History is an interesting thing. When I was growing up in the world and young, I lived in a quiet town where I had time to lay out and look at the stars in the backyard and not be afraid and get the meaning of what was going on and how we as human beings are of the same energy flow that is everything else in this universe. But at that time, I was not able to understand that the reason I was learning so much about it then is because right now I can explain it, I can understand it, and I can connect the dots in what I grew up learning and what is being expressed right now. And the main thing that we are going to do with these series of videos, I don't know how many, but the main thing we are going to do is to connect the dots. If you can connect the dots, you can get the meaning of the story. And first you got to understand that everything is a dot. When it's happening to you, it's just a dot. So, but that dot is connected to another dot that happened before, which was connected to another dot. That's what I'm trying to say. Right now, there is a need to elevate your mind. There is a positively non-discussionary phase that we need to understand. We are not creating, we are following, we are flowing with what has been here since the beginning. And right now, it is very, very, very strong. You have but to, even if you're not into cosmology or don't study it, you have but just to listen at the news and see what all is happening to know that there's something going on this planet, in this cosmos. The way people are behaving, the way nature is doing it. You can't think of things that nature is not doing. The new things that are being discovered in the sea, the new fish are understanding what you are seeing. You can't believe what you're seeing. All of that is a flowing of this energy that's here, that we should recognize and take it as a positive and not as a negative, because that's what energy is. It is what you decide it is. It's going to flow regardless. So you can just decide how you're going to use it. And I choose to use it to help the circumstances, or help people understand what's happening right now, what's going on right now. There's some things going on right now that's impacting everybody and everything. So, this is Lady Cosmos from a dark place in the universe. I have more to say, and I hope you will stay tuned for the information. Love you. Bye-bye.